I loved reading and singing our We All Go Traveling By book with you, friends. Remember, you can follow along at home with the song at www.barefootbooks.com/travelingby. Now we're going to review the steps in our story today, and then we're going to practice sorting vehicles that travel by land, air, and water. Friends, this story talks about spying things, playing I Spy with our little eye. So this is an awesome fun game that you can also play at home. You can look, or in the car, you can look for vehicles, you can spy all sorts of things and try to get your mom or dad or friend to guess what you're looking at. All right, now let's begin by reviewing with our sequencing board that we created last time the events of our story and our song. Are you ready? I love this book and the awesome memory word pattern that we learned with it. Really cool. All right, do you remember how our song goes? We're going to shorten it today and just review the items and vehicles with the song. Okay, let's do it. I spy with my little eye. You can hear with your little ear. A loud silver bell, 2 purple shoes, a fast orange car, a big white plane, a little green boat, a shiny pink bike, a long blue train, a bright red truck, a yellow school bus, and we all go traveling by, and we all go traveling by. Great job, friends. Okay, are you ready to practice sorting our vehicles? We can look at the qualities, the characteristics, features of the vehicle and the pictures as clues to determine how these vehicles move. What medium do they use to travel? Do they travel by air, up in the sky, by land, on the ground, or in the water? Let's look at some examples first. We saw in our book, We All Go Traveling By, both vehicles that traveled by air, land, and sea. A school bus travels by land. See, it's on the ground by land. Let's see if we can find something that travels by air. Do you see the vehicle that travels by air? Yes, the plane is up in the air in the sky. So a plane travels by air. Let's see if we can find a vehicle in this same picture that's in the water. Yes, the little green boat travels by water. By water. All right, friends, awesome. Now let's look at some more examples. Let's look at air first. We have a spaceship, a blimp, an airplane, and a jet that all travel up in the air. Let's see what vehicles travel on land. A bike, an ambulance, a car, and a fire truck all travel by land. Let's see now what vehicles travel by water. A ship, a boat, a submarine, and a canoe all travel by water. Now let's see if we can sort some more vehicles to finish our boards here. Let's look at this first one. This is a kayak. Do you think a kayak travels by air, land, or water? We can look at the picture to help us. I see some oars, and it looks like they're in a stream, in a river there, which is water. So the kayak travels by water. All right. How about this vehicle? This is a helicopter. Let's see. The ground looks very small, and the helicopter is up in the sky. So is that air, land, or water travel? Yes, the helicopter travels by air. Let's try another one. The school bus. This example was in our story. Do you remember how the school bus travels? Yes, by land. Let's try 3 more. What about a hot air balloon? I think hot air balloons are so beautiful. Look around the hot air balloon. Is it in the air, land, or water? Yes, it's in the air. It floats up in the sky. Okay, let's try a train. Do you think a train travels on the land? Are the tracks on the land or in the water? Yes, they're on land, which means we have 1 spot left for our sailboat. And we can see that the sailboat is in the water. Friends, thank you so much for sorting these vehicles and reviewing our book, We All Go Traveling By. I'm excited to see what vehicles you spy out this week. Bye-bye.